The secret to rejuvenating your skin, healing faster, and even protecting your brain isn't some brand new invention, but a molecule already inside your own body. A tiny peptide that declines as we age, taking our vitality with it. Welcome to Levitas. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most exciting compounds in regenerative medicine, GHK Copper Peptides, or GHK-Cu. Have you ever tried a GHK Copper product, or is this the first time you're hearing about its power? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to like the video, it truly helps the channel with the algorithm. Benefit number 1. Alright, let's start with the benefit GHK Copper is most famous for, its incredible impact on skin health and anti-aging. When we're young, our skin is full of collagen and elastin. Collagen provides the firm structure, and elastin gives it that snap back. As we get older, production of both slows down, and that's when we start to see fine lines and sagging. GHK Copper steps in as a powerful signaling molecule. It essentially tells your skin cells, hey, let's ramp up production of high-quality collagen and elastin again. The results? We're talking about a reduced appearance of fine lines, improved skin firmness, and a more even, clear skin texture. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's backed by solid research. A comprehensive 2018 review published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed GHK Copper's ability to improve skin elasticity, clarity, and reduce wrinkle depth. The researchers specifically highlighted its role as a potent skin remodeling agent. Benefit number 2. Its power goes far, far beyond just cosmetics. In fact, GHK Copper's journey in science really began with wound healing. When you get a cut or an injury, your body launches a complex repair process. GHK Copper is one of the conductors of that orchestra. It's a powerful driver of tissue remodeling. That's the critical process of removing old, damaged tissue and debris and replacing it with new, healthy, organized tissue. It helps clean the wound site and promotes the growth of a healthy cellular matrix. This means it doesn't just help you heal faster, it helps you heal better, with less potential for scarring. A 2015 review by its discoverer, Dr. Lauren Pickart, and his colleague Dr. Anna Margolina, emphasized its central role in signaling tissue repair. And to see this in a powerful clinical context, a 2012 study in veterinary surgery looked at dogs with diabetic wounds. These types of wounds are notoriously difficult to heal due to poor circulation and high inflammation. The study found that a GHK Copper hydrogel significantly accelerated wound closure. This shows its potent regenerative effects even in a compromised healing environment. Benefit number 3. Now, this healing ability isn't just skin deep. It's about rebuilding the entire support system. This leads us to our third point, angiogenesis and nerve growth. Angiogenesis is the medical term for the formation of new blood vessels. Think about it, a healing area is like a construction site. It needs supplies. GHK Copper signals for the body to build new roads, new blood vessels, to deliver that vital oxygen and all the nutrients needed for repair. Even more incredibly, it supports nerve growth. A 2005 study published in the Neurobiology of Disease demonstrated that copper peptides could promote nerve regeneration and myelination, which is the protective sheath around nerves. This is absolutely critical for restoring full function and sensation after an injury. Benefit number 4. So, not only is it rebuilding tissue and the supply lines to it, but it's also calming the environment down. This brings us to its role as a cellular fire extinguisher. So many of the health issues we face, from rapid aging to chronic disease, are rooted in two things: chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. GHK Copper is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, but it doesn't just block one inflammatory pathway. Research, including a 2010 study by Hong and his team, showed that GHK copper can help reset the expression of numerous human genes, shifting them from a state of inflammation and degradation back to a state of repair and health. It also boosts our body's own internal antioxidant defenses, specifically an enzyme called superoxide dismutase, which is one of your body's primary defenses against oxidative stress. Benefit number 5. This is already an impressive resume, but the research keeps expanding into other areas. How about hair growth? Given its powerful effects on skin health, tissue remodeling, and blood flow, it's no surprise that researchers began exploring its impact on hair follicles. The thinking is that GHK copper helps in a few ways. It increases the actual size of the hair follicle, it extends the anagen or growth phase of the hair cycle, and it improves that critical microcirculation to the scalp. A 2007 study on mice, published in the Journal of Dermatology, directly compared a GHK copper complex to minoxidil. The results showed that the GHK copper stimulated hair growth by enlarging the follicular size, and the effect was comparable to that of minoxidil. While more human studies are needed, this is incredibly promising. Benefit number 6. From the scalp, let's move to the brain. For me, this is one of the most exciting and important frontiers for GHK copper research. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and regenerative properties aren't limited to your skin. They appear to work in the brain, too. Research is actively exploring GHK copper's potential as a neuroprotective agent. The idea is that it can help protect our nerve cells from damage and support overall cognitive function as we age. Research published in 2012 by Dr. Pickart noted that GHK copper could reverse cognitive decline in animal models. This suggests a powerful future role in supporting brain health and potentially guarding against age-related neurodegeneration. Benefit number 7. Finally, let's bring all of this together and talk about recovery. This is often talked about as muscle recovery, but it's really about total tissue regeneration. When you have an intense workout, you're creating micro-tears in your muscles. Healing from that requires managing inflammation and rebuilding tissue. Does that sound familiar? It's the exact same set of skills we've been discussing. GHK Copper's systemic benefits support the regeneration of all connective tissues, not just muscle, but the ligaments and tendons that support them. A 2017 study in PLOS One that investigated tissue regeneration confirmed that GHK copper was a key factor in orchestrating the complex processes of tissue remodeling, which is the very essence of recovery. So, what's the verdict on GHK copper peptides? Here's the most important way to think about it. GHK copper isn't a magic bullet that forces a single action. It's better to see it as a master regulator. It's a signaling molecule that gently reminds your body to activate its own healing, regenerative, and protective pathways. Its levels are known to be very high in our youth and drop significantly as we age. This decline is directly linked to the decreased regenerative capacity we see in older age. This is why supplementing this peptide is such a compelling idea for health and longevity. Now, a crucial clinical takeaway: the delivery method matters. For skin benefits, like reducing wrinkles and improving texture, topical application in serums and creams is fantastic and has great data. The systemic benefits we discussed, like neurological support or internal tissue recovery, are typically studied using other delivery methods, like injections. Remember that these methods must be discussed with your personal doctor or a qualified healthcare provider to see if they are appropriate for you. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.